How to loop a video on iPhone. To loop a video on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the camera application on your iPhone. Once you're on the camera screen, tap on the arrow at the top. You will see many features appear on the bottom line of your screen. From here, tap on the live icon and turn this feature on. Then, tap on the capture button in the middle of your screen to take a live photo. After that, minimize the application and open the photo from your gallery. Then, tap this live option at the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the loop option from the menu. Now, you can see the media is in a loop format and will play over and over again. By following these simple steps, you can easily loop a video on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.